We're at the Wiehle-Reston station. Look at this. That is a really bad spot for that phone button too. Look at this. Look at this COP. Those are monitor fixtures.
Let's take a ride for it. Back up.
Yep. Takes too long to level. There's the other elevator.
Train level going up.
Wow. Oh, this one's up here. Let's ride the other one. And it pushes the button for you.
Level going down.
This is elevator number 4.
Because there's 2 on either side.
Mm-hmm. See what the motor sounds like on this one.
Train level going up.
It's kind of a very angry voice.
Train level going up.
Now that one's downstairs. I guess we'll end down on the train level.
Revenue level going down.
Wiehle-Reston. How do the operators call it? Say it.
Wiehle-Reston East.
Wheelie? What's it really said? Is it really wheelie?
Yeah.
You said they said it wrong though, right?
Willie.
Willie, that's there, yeah. Wiehle-Reston. Alright, and here comes the train.
Train out of service. This train is out of service. Out of
Going
service.
back to the yard.
Yep.
Easy now, tell me more. This train is out of
98
service, out of service, out of service.
Train is out of service. We'll watch it leave.
They short-stopped the platform as well.
Stay, train move, train move.
That's the yard one.
Cool. That's it.